In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send objects to the back here on Canva Mobile. So to do that, we're going to select the object that's in front, like all this sale text. And I'm going to send it behind the girl. And so once we have that text selected, we can come down here to the bottom and scroll over until we find position. And once we see position, we can tap on that. And then we can see here, we have some options to arrange. And so we can send it backward, one step through your layers, or we can send it all the way to the back. In this case, I'm going to send it to the back, so I know it goes behind the image of the girl. And so we can exit out of that, and you can see now that the sale text is behind the girl. Now what it did was it basically sent it to the bottom of the layers panel. And so if we scroll over here, once I have an object selected and take a look at the layers panel, we can see here that the girl is right here. And if we scroll down, we have sale, and then this is the background color. And so it just sent it from up here somewhere to all the way to the bottom. And that's how you can send to back here on Canva Mobile.